Imagine getting paid just for using your phone. These 4 apps are proof it's possible. The first app in our list is Red for Rewards. This is a legit platform where you earn rewards just by giving feedback on ads and online content. If you like sharing your opinions, this is one of the easiest ways to earn gift cards and cash rewards online. Getting started is simple. Create your free account, start rating ads or content, and you earn points for every activity you complete. Each point brings you closer to rewards like Amazon, Starbucks, or even Visa gift cards. No financial info needed, your personal data stays safe. Unlike other rewards platform, Red for Rewards focuses on genuine feedback, not games or endless app offers. The more content you rate, the more points you collect, making it very straightforward to boost your earnings. Redeeming your rewards is simple. Once you have collected enough points, just click Redeem Reward, and your gift card is sent straight forward to your email. Next up we have Rewards One, a legit platform where you earn rewards just by sharing your opinions and completing simple online tasks. If you enjoy giving feedback, this is one of the easiest ways to earn gift cards and cash online. Getting started is simple. Create your free account, start completing surveys, offers and other tasks, and you earn points for every activity you complete. Each point brings you closer to rewards like Amazon, PayPal Cash, or even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike many other platforms, Rewards One offers a variety of ways to earn, including daily polls, games and contests. The more activities you engage in, the more points you accumulate. You can also boost your earnings through referrals. Invite your friends, and when they redeem their first reward, you will earn a commission as a thank you. That means you are earning from your own activities and passively when your friends join in. Redeeming your rewards is easy. Once you have accumulated enough points, just click Redeem Reward, and your gift card or cash is sent straight to your email. No waiting, no complicated steps. Just quick, easy rewards. Next we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular reward sites in the world. It gives you multiple ways to earn, from answering surveys, playing games and shopping online to simply watching short video clips. Basically, you are earning while doing things you would normally do on the internet anyway. The app uses a point system called SB. Every task shows exactly how many SB you will earn. For example, completing a 5-minute survey could give you 100 SB, while signing up for a free trial might give you several hundred SB in one go. These points can be redeemed for PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, or rewards from dozens of big brands. Here is how to really get the most of Swagbucks. Start by doing the daily poll and daily checklists for easy bonuses. Then move to high-paying surveys and offers. If you shop online, make sure you do it through Swagbucks for instant cashback. And don't forget the referral program. You will earn 10% of your friend's lifetime earnings, which is passive income you don't want to miss. The last step in our list is Userlytics. Userlytics is not your typical survey site. Instead of answering surveys all day, you actually get paid to test websites, apps, and digital experiences. Companies want real feedback from users like you to improve their platforms, and they are willing to pay good money for it. Once you sign up and get approved, you will receive invites to different usability tests. A test might ask you to explore a website, try out an app, or complete certain tasks while sharing your thoughts out loud. Most tests only take 10 to 20 minutes, and payments are made via PayPal once you completed them. To increase your chances of getting more tests, make sure your profile is complete and detailed, so you are matched with the right studies. Respond to invites quickly because spots fill up fast. And always give clear, thoughtful feedback. This helps you get higher paying tests in the future.